friends, welcome to our advanced spoken English class. We are here today to perform a debate on the topic advantage and disadvantage of phone. I'm in the disadvantage of phone and she's in the favor of disadvantage of phone. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
Sneha, tell me, what do you think about mobile? Mobile is...
I think mine is disadvantage. So I think mobile is very dangerous for this age because we are not controlling the phone actually. We think that we are controlling, but actually the phone is controlling our mind.
What are you saying? It is very essential and useful nowadays.
I know, it is useful, but it's not too much useful that we spend our more time on the phone only. Approx 16 to 18 hours we spend our time on the phone only, which affect our health, mind and everything.
Yeah, but mobile can easily to communicate someone, and if we require and if you want to talk with someone, then we can easily.
There is also a network problem.
But now
it is a network problem. You can see because that time when you will call in emergency, there is not.
No, but nowadays it is range cover. It has
I know that. And also there is network problem. There is network problem, and using phone or you can use phone. I'm not saying it. Use the phone which creates less radiation. Okay, the tap one, not the smartphone. Okay, because this one creates more.
A smartphone is very essential, and if you want to, in nowadays, everything is available in mobile. There are so many applications which helps us.
Okay, this about the application about you're talking, that also you will get in the computer and laptop. You don't need this phone. Okay, that also
but it is easily to carry one place to another place.
I know it is easy,
but
it is very dangerous.
We can't.
It is very dangerous. You're saying that is very easy. You're right. Actually, when you will go at the roadside, okay, you will use your phone like this. Anything could happen. The car can strike you. Anything, you can go to the drain. Anything. Okay. So you should not use excess.
I'm not saying this. You use that time.
Actually, I'm also not saying that phone is bad. I'm also not saying phone is bad. I'm just saying that excess use of phone is very bad. You should use the tap phone. You don't need this smartphone because it creates radiation.
No, but
it is like that. You can see that radiation, the ultraviolet rays, which also affects our skin, and these I'm not getting the words. These things gets more harmful for us, for birds, because the radiation makes the bird very unhealthy, and they die also.
It is a great technology, I think. And
yes.
If you just let me give an example. Suppose I am from village, and there is no anyone who teach me English and all. And whatever I want actually.
If you will belong from village, then you will
let me complete.
Okay,
and there is proper network, no problem.
Okay.
Then I want to learn anything. What is the help? Only the mobile phone can help me to enhance my knowledge, enhance my skill, and I can job also online. And there are so many application and so many requirement which can help us economical, and it's also help to develop.
Okay. You're saying about the phone, which it will help you at the village for education purpose.
Yeah.
You're correct. The phone will not help you. The internet will help you. Okay. Internet will help you.
Without the phone, how can you use
laptop, computer? There are so many things. There are so many things.
You I have phone. Then I can wherever I am, I can use at that home, that place, their place. But I can bring.
Listen.
I can't go
skip it for a while. Okay, skip it. Just this mentality, what you are saying, that the phone gets knowledge. Okay.
Yeah.
I appreciate. Okay, and I think you are saying that. But when you give the smartphone to your child, okay, when you give, they use very badly. Even you don't know, they will use.
Yeah.
They will say that we are on YouTube, we are
but
watching.
Why are you saying this? But yeah, they can use, but positively also.
They
why
can use
negative?
They can use, but they are not using. They are always using the PUBG and all.
We can change.
PUBG and
if someone,
you cannot change.
duty to check check their children what they are
No
doing.
parents have that much of
Smartphone.
time to see their children.
That's their problem, not cell phone's problem. I
That's
think.
I know that, but the phone is making you very busy. That even
No,
you are
and
not.
nowadays,
Suppose you are in the family, okay?
Yeah.
Everyone is busy in their phone. They are not talking with everyone, okay? They are always busy in the phone.
But in my
They don't get the
relatives
time for others.
don't live there, and they live America and Canada. Then
Okay.
how to communicate with each other? Only this is because
Tap
of.
phone. You can use tap phone.
No, I
Again
want
I'm
to.
saying.
If I want to say this face to face, I
Computer,
can.
laptops, again and again I'm saying you.
No,
The
it's
phone
not
doesn't help you.
possible,
The internet helps you. The internet helps you, not the phone, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
And nowadays it is if police
Okay.
police case criminal,
Huh?
it's help us to find also criminals. Yeah, it's also help to find out
How?
yeah, just recently in Hyderabad, recently was I'm forgetting her name. Seagulls, you know, just
I know.
recently had happened that the criminal that suited, then the criminal find how because of cell phone,
Because of internet.
because of
Correct,
cell phone.
because of
No,
internet. Huh? By scanning the number.
yeah,
That they can use for bad purpose also. Suppose there is my number, okay?
Why are
Any criminal can use my number, okay? They can scan and come to me. And they can
no,
kidnap
there
me.
are such a application you can hide and you
Now,
can
just
block.
before a few minutes, you have said that don't go negatively, think
Yeah.
positively. Okay. Then don't think only positively. Go to both sides. Okay. The coin
Yeah.
has two faces always.
Yeah,
Two
I
faces,
agree.
and you have to see both negative and
And
positive.
positive.
Okay.
Then why
So,
are you not
say this
saying
also.
positive?
Say this also, na? No, I'm not saying
Yeah.
that you see only positive. I have told you now. They got the criminals, but criminal can also come to us. By
Yeah.
phone only.
But
So it
you
is
can.
helpful. See,
there are-
you're accepting or not? It
Yeah,
makes
I'm
our life
accepting.
better.
Yeah.
Accepting, that's it. The debate is over. She accepted.
I'm accepting, but there are such a so many application and website we can, with the help of that, we can secure ourselves, protect. We can.
Even they can do that.
Yeah, but it's my responsibility, my safe to.
Even they
myself.
can do it. So it's not
Yeah,
the
but
point.
you
It's
can
not the
just-
point. You're told wrong.
No.
Yes. Now only you're opposing yourself.
What?
You're opposing yourself only. Now you told that point and you have told that now we can save. The criminals can also make the number safe. The police cannot cut.
Okay, but if we want, if we talk about economical condition, nowadays it
Phone
is
is
basically, yeah, no,
Yes.
it's basically crucial role play actually in market area. I'm for marketing and you are also in marketing
I just
area.
started.
Yeah, then you know very well. Nowadays mobile can online, even every person, every child makes, you know, just YouTube and TikTok also, and there are such a, so many business applications, share market, stock market. How we can knowledge about
By
only for
internet,
children. No.
by internet,
But
you
on
can
the
use
internet
laptop,
we
you
can't
can use
help.
computer. Phone creates radiation. You accept? Do you accept?
Yeah,
this?
I accept,
Okay,
but
birds are dying just because of your cell phone's radiation because you are using it very excess. It is very effective
who
for our
says
health.
use access? Who says?
But you
Don't
are using
use,
now.
don't
If you
use.
will get the comfort, you will do it. You will go through the comfort. You will go, and that's why scientists are also making these kind of things that we can feel it comfort by that. Okay, it is not our me or your fault. Okay,
Yeah,
it is generation fault.
no, but
Yes,
now
it is like that.
no.
It is like that. See, we are thinking that we are controlling phone. Okay,
Yeah.
it's nothing like that. Phone is controlling our mind.
No.
Yes.
Every person such a like me. I
Now,
don't
I and
like
you is
just
not
like,
here.
yeah,
No.
I said like for example.
Okay, for example, like my people, I always busy with phone.
Yeah, that's your problem. That's
I
their
know,
problem.
I know that's my problem.
Yeah, but
I
you
know
can't.
that's my problem
you
because it's my
can't
mind.
blame.
It's controlling my
Yeah.
mind. It is by controlling my mind. The scientists have developed this to control our mind.
Yeah,
It's my
it's your problem. You don't control your mind and yourself. It's
Uh,
not problem with
see,
mobile phone.
See,
Mobile phone is
now
good.
you just what you told that example like me. Okay, just suppose that only I'm saying. Just suppose everyone is not like me. I can control
Yeah.
my mind, but everyone cannot.
But
Okay,
it's
let's
good.
finish it. Let's finish it. Let's
Yeah,
give the
sorry,
conclusion.
yeah.
What's your
Yes, conclusion.
view? What's your point of view?
Yeah, everything has two aspects, negative and positively. If you are serious and if you are curious and awareness about our health and economical development. If we want to grow, if we want to develop ourselves, we use, but saying also correct, too much busy and engrossing too much and always busy in phone, it's bad habit. But when you use it for better and communication well and for positive attitude, it is very good.
Okay, according to me, phone is also good and also bad, because we can see the phone is very important. We can do online banking and many things. We can get the notes, we can study, or many things we can do. But there is also some side effects, like we get health problems, the birds are dying, and even when we use excess, that time we feel very sickness or we get unhealthy. So I think both is there, advantages and disadvantages. Thank you.